Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we all know that Umi has stopped the staking and we are now moving to decentralized finance. In order to participate on decentralized finance, for those who are members on the previous staking process, you will have to download a new wallet called Umi Wallet. So to download, if you are using Android, you'll have to go to Google Play Store, but if you are using iPhone, you have to go Apple Store. So for me, I'm using Android. So the first step, you have to go to Google Play Store, then search for Umi Wallet, Umi, then click on Umi Wallet. So you have to download it. Once you finish downloading, then click on open, then it will open like this. So if you have a wallet, you can say I already have a wallet, but if you don't have, you have to click here, create a new wallet. So you can set a wallet name. For example, here I can say maybe my name is Mboni, then proceed. Then you go to another window. There is a maximum protection encryption on this wallet. So then once you finish, you have to click here, generate. So it will give you 24 mnemonic phrase. Make sure you save these mnemonic phrases in a safety place, and never ever share this mnemonic phrase to anyone. So once you finish, you say I have already copied, then click here, create and login. So you have to set a pin. So if I set maybe a normal pin, so you have set a pin. Once you finish, now this is our new wallet. So it has contact, it has search, it has settings. Where in the setting, you are able also to see the mnemonic phrase here. So in case you didn't copy them, you can just check them here. So you can just check them here. So go back. So simply, this is how to download Umi Wallet. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video so that others may learn from this video. Thank you.